Yeah, fire departments are unique. Believe it or not, their turnout gear, they're what we call bunker gear, turnout gear, what you always think of a fireman showing up in a fire in. They have very specific requirements on that gear of maximum temperatures that you can put it into, maximum G-force that you can put it into, and using the correct and specialized amount of chemistry in it to really get the hydrocarbons, the pathogens, except washed off properly off that turnout gear without damaging it. Those are very expensive pieces of equipment that those firemen put on, and they have to be properly cleaned and washed so you're not putting on something that's been through a hazardous fire back onto their bodies. And so, understanding that, being able to set up special cycles, being able to set up, again, the right extracts, and being able to put their chemicals in at the right time is very important for the firemen. And then they can't tumble dry that, so having a gear dryer where they can hang that up and then have it dried instead of just putting it up in hanging somewhere, waiting, hopefully it's going to dry before the next fire, then having to put a wet jacket or boots on and go out into the 10 degrees outside doesn't sound much fun to me. But for example, Unimac makes a special couple models that have the special formulas in it, has the right extract in it. So it's really taking the existing models they have, but putting the features into the machine for a specific industry.